Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the left rear orifice holder assembly in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off both grates. Pull off the 5 control knobs. Open the upper oven door and use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the manifold panel. Next, unthread the 2 upper screws securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the panel. Use an adjustable wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the manifold. Use the Phillips head screwdriver or a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the front screws securing the cooktop. Lift the cooktop assembly up and support it. Remove the appropriate burner cap. Use a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 2 screws securing the burner base. Lift the base straight up to remove. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the burner valve. Depress the tab to release the wire from the surface igniter, and you can fully remove the old orifice assembly. Install the new orifice holder assembly by first connecting the wire to the surface igniter. Position the orifice holder, then hand tighten the nut to secure the gas supply tube to the valve. Align the surface igniter with the hole in the burner base, then thread and tighten the screws to secure. Replace the burner cap. Now wrench tighten the gas supply tube nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening. Remove the support and lower the cooktop assembly. Thread and tighten the 2 front screws. Insert the gas supply tube into the manifold and thread the nut. Again, avoid over-tightening the nut. Realign the manifold panel on the support brackets. Thread and tighten the upper and lower screws to secure. Replace the control knobs on the valve stems. Reposition the grates. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and the gas range should be ready for use.